Please put plus if you can see and hear me. So I'll be waiting for you. Hey everybody. How can you hear me? Can you see me? Чи можете ви мене чути? Чи можете ви мене бачити? Будь ласка, поставте плюсики. Будь ласка. Hey guys. Thanks for joining us today. And I hope today it goes smoothly, so I officially begin the class. All right. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Ms. Sasha or Ms. Alexandra. You can call me so, and I have an assistant today. If I say something wrong, he will correct me. This is my teddy bear. Доброго дня усім. Вітаю, мене звати пані Олександра. Ви можете мене звати міс Саша. Our class today is called A Teen's Day Around the World. And this is elementary level. So I hope after it you can go to intermediate. So if you're ready, let's get started. Can you please put plus? Будь ласка, поставте плюсики, якщо ви мене чуєте. Я бачу, що в нас Тетяна. Так, Мавров Микита вже під'єднався. Welcome to our class. According to law of Murphy, if bad things can happen, they would, so don't give them a chance, right? So hopefully this time our internet won't betray us. All right, welcome on board everybody. And if you're joining later, also welcome. And I'm extremely pleased to see you all today. So what do you know about me, guys? Can you write me? Can you write me in the chat? What do you know about me? What do you know about me? Have you read anything that you can share, that you remember? Okay, I see. Okay, Mavrov Nikita. Okay, maybe you weren't present last time at our class, but I'm telling you that I am almost 40 years old. I've got one son, and I spent 9 years in China, and right now I'm back home. And I want to know something about you. So can you please tell me, are you a teen? Are you a teen? Do you know what is a teen? You can react, you can type in your answers. Teddy, do you know what is a teen? Teen is a short for a teenager, right? So teen comes from the teenager. And I like this definition very, very much. It says that teenager is when you're too young for half the things you want to do and too old for the other half. All right? Teenager – це підліток, так? І чи можемо ми усіх українських підлітків звати тінейджерами? Як ви гадаєте? Чи можете ви мені написати? Чи можете ви мені написати, будь ласка? Так. Я прошу вас приймати участь у класі. All right. So, teen comes from the numbers 13, 14, 15, and so on until 19. So, officially, according to Western standards, you're a teenager until you're 19. Згідно з західними стандартами, до 19 років ви офіційно підліток. На Україні це не так. All right. The second part comes from the age, right? Which is your vik in Ukrainian, right? And er is a suffix that means something about you, like your job or your position in the society. All right. So I told you something about me, and I hope to learn more about you. And I want to ask you and challenge you guys, can you do all this? For example, can you bend your thumb? So this is my thumb, right? And I'm trying to bend it, but it doesn't bend too much, right? Like in this picture, right? Or can you wiggle your ears without the help of your fingers? Can you write yes or no? Чи можете ви так зробити? Can you lick the tip of your elbow? I cannot, and 99% of people on earth cannot do this. But there are some gifted guys who can. So can you? And what inspires me also is that some people can fold their tongue like this young gentleman. He's probably not a teen anymore, but who knows, right? So he can fold his tongue 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So it looks like a pedal. Бачите, як цей джентльмен складає його язик? Тобто він може його скласти 3 рази. В нього дуже розвинені м'язи. Can you do this, guys? Tell me something about you, because I want to know you. Tell me something that you're awesome at. Another thing that most of people on earth cannot do is, you see, when you put your hand against something, against some surface, yes, of course, you can hold all your fingers like this, right? But as soon as I remove something, you know, my fingers, my no-name finger or my ring finger goes down. So I cannot, if I bend my middle finger, I cannot hold my my no-name or ring finger plain or straight, right? So some people can do. Can you do this, guys? But I can tell you what I can do. If you can look here at the, which is it for you, left or right? Do you know? Тетяна або Микита, будь ласка, скажіть щось про себе. Дайте мені знати, чи ви чуєте. Надішліть смайлик або плюсик, будь ласка. Чи ви з нами? All right. Okay. So, anyways, thank you very much for joining. All right. So, this person can bend thumb and touch the arm. So I can do this as you see, right? Can you? I know that teens challenge the world. Підлітки змінюють світ, і підлітки завжди можуть більше, ніж інші люди. Отже, я вважаю, що, можливо, ви обдаровані і можете це зробити. Надішліть мені, будь ласка, повідомлення, якщо ви чуєте добре. Alright. And if you want to play, I offer you to try to take one out, right? So there are words. There is a list of words, right? I have 4 lists. And I have John, Steve, Matthew, Kate. Then I have brother, mother, friend, daughter, summer, winter, spring, March, Tokyo, Sydney, New York, and Brazil. So, who can tell me which one is the odd word here in this list, in the first list? John, Steve, Matthew, Kate. Яке слово зайве тут у цьому листі? John, Steve, Matthew, and Kate. What do you think, guys? I think Kate. Do you know why? Probably because this is a female, right? John, Steve, and Matthew are male names, right? Okay, let's move on. If you want to participate, welcome to join. Then I have a brother, a mother, a friend, and a daughter. So what do you think is an odd word here? What do you think? Teddy, do you have any idea? Let me see. Brother, mother, and a daughter are members of a family, and a friend is something not related, somebody not related to the family members, right? So I would choose friend as an odd word here. Then let's go to the next one, and feel free to join if you have any ideas. Summer, winter, spring, and March. Which one is the odd word according to your opinion? What do you think, guys? So let's see. Summer is a season, winter is a season, spring is a season, and March is a month, right? So probably March is an odd word in this list. Let's go to the last one, guys. We have Tokyo, Sydney, New York, and Brazil. A harder choice if you don't know geography, right? So, but let's go and resolve this riddle together. Tokyo is a city name in Japan, right? Sydney, Australian city. New York, American city. And Brazil, Brazil is the country's name. So Brazil is the odd word, and I would take it out. Okay, so let's check. Kate, friend, March, Brazil. Out. Well, so if you're listening, are you ready to share special things about you? Like things that inspire you? People who like mountain climbing, right? They don't stop even on the quarantine. Зараз ми на карантині, і не усі люди можуть просто вийти на вулицю або поїхати кудись. І люди, котрі дуже полюбляють те, чим вони займаються, просто знаходять свої способи, свої засоби і практикуються вдома. I think this is a very extreme case, right? So, but this is really what makes this person special for me. So, I can tell you special things for myself, and we can go with one special word about you. So you can tell how special you are, right? So each of you can write 1 or 2 words to characterize yourself. Ви можете надіслати одне слово або 2 слова, котрі скажуть щось дуже спеціальне про вас. Я хочу знати вас краще. І the word that characterizes me is a seeker. Do you know what does this seeker mean? Okay, I'll give you a hint. It comes from the word seek, right? Long E, seek. What does it mean? Have you ever played hide and go seek? So seeker is a person who searches for new things, new opportunities, seeking for understanding of own personality and the depth of the inside world as well as the outside. I'm looking for me, you're looking for you. This is a little poem for you. We're looking at each other and we don't know what to do. They call me the seeker. I've been searching low and high. Okay, so I hope somebody can join us, and I hope you can participate, guys. So welcome to write to me, because my chat for some reason doesn't show me what you're writing. Oh, okay. Котик, добре. Я просто не відновила. Добре, дякую. Я не бачила чату, друзі. Дякую for writing. Thanks for writing. Okay, Brazil. I see Sydney. Wow. Okay, lazy gamer, котик, шукач, skin, весела, рокабильщик, Mortis. Oh, wow. What does it mean? Laser gamer. Laser means you're focused, okay? And I have cyber sportsman. Oh my. So you're playing sports and just, as a cyborg, okay? Are you just, as strong as cyborg? Назар, чи ти вже такий сильний, як кіборг, або ти просто граєш в ігри? Повідом мені. Okay. Андрій, ау. Це слово характеризує тебе? Hi, Mavrov Nikito. Hi. All right, okay. Thanks for letting me know. And Tatiana says skin. Wow, that's interesting. That's very interesting. All right. So that was our portrait. And right now, let's play a little bit because I like playing. I don't like to take English seriously. Do you have any idea what is it? Let me know. Alright. Okay, ти просто граєш в ігри, Назар. Alright. But playing like a cyborg. Okay, great. So do you have any idea what is it? I zoomed in. Okay, клубника, strawberry, blood. Oh my, no, this is not a blood. These are, what do you call them in English? What do you name these berries? Cherry. That's true. They're very yummy. Do you like cherries? I love them. All right. Any idea what is that? What is that, guys? Guess what is it? Apple? No, it's not. Cherry drop? Okay, that was probably about the previous picture because there is some delay between what I see in the chat and what I display at the screen. Okay, any idea what is this, guys? Any idea? This choice is harder. Fruits. No, these are not fruits. So let's think. Teddy, do you have any idea what is that? Let us think. Okay. Pineapple. No, it's not. No. Tatiana has no clue. All right. So here is the answer. Maybe you can make it out clearer, right? So I showed you this segment before, right? And so do you have a clue? What is that? It doesn't look like a pineapple, right? So guys, can you type me? What do you think it is? It's an insect, right? So what kind of insect? Do you know insects' names? Цвіркун. No, it's not. No, it's not a grasshopper. Цвіркун or a cicade, right? It's not. Okay. It'll last 1 hour. So we'll have 60 minutes trial class today, but our normal classes would last 90 minutes. Сьогодні урок триває тільки 60 хвилин, проте нормальні уроки в нас будуть по 90 хвилин. Okay, mosquitoes. No, mosquitoes are black and they aren't as hairy, right? So there is lots of hair for mosquito. Fly. No, it's not. It's not a fly. Serana. No. Okay, it's a wasp. Wasp. Do you know what is a wasp? Це оси в нас такі. All right. So this is probably easier for you. Can you guess what's that? What's that? Do you have a clue? I zoomed it in so it's easier to guess. Не муха, не нравиться. Thank you very much. Thanks. Okay. Так, оса, wasp, оса. Car, gas. Good guess, Nazar. Right, that is a sports car, right? It's a super cool sports car. All right, any idea what is that? So this is our last picture. So who is the first to answer? Come on, 3, 2, 1, go. Car, home. No, sport car, that was before. Спасите меня. Mikita, what is happening? What's there? Let us know if I can help. Okay. So, any idea what's this? Clock. No, this is not an iron and not a tuner. Actually, this is a watch. So, Nika, you're almost right. Because clock is something, it's a watch that you can put at the wall, right? But this is something that you can put on your wrist. So this is a watch. Okay, so as teens, right, you try to be wiser, and I like to help you. I'd like to help you with this, right? And let me introduce you a little bit. What are we going to do with you at this course? Будь ласка, я пропоную вам розкрити карти, і я розкажу, чим ми будемо з вами займатися на цьому курсі. По-перше, ми будемо тренувати your pronunciation, right? So if you can say red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, right? So it's hard to say because it's a tongue twister. You have your tongue and it twists when you try to say an L and switch them very quickly, right? Or this is another tongue twister for you. Be wary when various wheres are everywhere. So you have V and W sound. So try to practice with me. Try to practice with me. Be wary when various wheres are everywhere. Can you say it faster? Beware when various wheres are everywhere. And let's try to say red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. So I can say it only 3 times and then my tongue twists. So how many times can you say it? Can you type number 1, 2, 3, 4? Maybe you're perfect, right? Maybe you're super teen and you can do it better. Okay, maybe you missed the beginning. Мене звути пані Олександра or Ms. Sasha. Welcome to our class. Okay, 3 times. I see Demon can say 3 times. Okay, hi Katya. Mikita, my name is Ms. Alexandra. Okay, I hope this answers your question. Swimming? What is that? Okay, good. So another thing we are going to do, we're going to learn some jokes. And we're going to learn the difference. Ми будемо вивчати культурні аспекти, не тільки промовлення, а ще й розумітися. For us, something is very funny, but for British or for American, this doesn't sound like funny. And sometimes when you travel abroad, they look at you as if you're an alien, right? So in order for you not to lose your face, right? We're going to learn some cultural aspects. What are English jokes like, right? And we'll learn some tricks, like this trick, right? To do your homework later on, because later you'll get wiser, right? You'll get one day more, you'll get one day older, and you'll get wiser. Отже, ми вивчатимемо з вами промову. Ми будемо тренуватися вимовляти ті звуки англійської мови, які в українській звучать не так. Ми будемо розумітися на культурних аспектах і some hacks, some tricks to help you be smart and learn not more, but learn smarter. І якісь спеціальні поради, щоб ви вивчалися швидше і розумніше, а не довше. Alright, so let's go and do impossible, right? So, can you see these pictures? Do you think it's possible to transport these bricks, right? That's just crazy many bricks. But this man manages to do it, right? This is amazing. Or this man, do you think this picture is real, or is it possible or not? Can you write plus if yes, or minus if no? Okay, Микита, ти хочеш домашнє завдання? В нас будуть домашні завдання. Дуже дякую, Катерино. Thank you, Kate, for your compliments. I appreciate. I bet you're very beautiful too, and it's very nice of you to write to me. So, do you think it's possible, guys? So look at this picture, right? So we have, if you look at this screen, right? So we have 4 pictures, and one is at the top left-hand corner, right? So our screen has corners and sides, right? And because I'm looking at the screen from my perspective and you're looking at the screen from your perspective, Our sides may vary. That's why in England or in America, in English-speaking world, they say left hand, right hand. So then you know which is on your left or which is on your right, or is it on the pictures left or right, right? So raise your left hand, please, and on your left hand, top corner, you see a picture of a man who's kayaking or canoeing. I cannot make a difference between a canoe and kayak. Can you guys? If you can. All right. So somebody, Anastasia, writes, it's real. It's possible. Maybe it's an ice, right? Some ice sheets, but still they don't melt and they split into triangles, right? Or diamonds. So you see mathematically correct shapes. Математично правильні форми. Якщо б це був льод, я б зрозуміла, проте льод би неможливо було вирізати так, і щоб він не розтанув. Отже, I think it's impossible. What is possible here? Look at the bottom left-hand corner. Do you think it's possible to have this pile of logs, right? No, I don't teach English at a specific school right now, but I taught in Chinese school and I taught subjects in English. Я не викладаю англійську цього року, проте я викладаю предмети англійською мовою. Я працюю з декількома школами, співпрацюю з Китаєм, і я викладаю предмети англійською мовою. Якщо це відповідає на ваше запитання. Дякую за запитання. Possible. Okay. Not possible. Possible. Okay. Maybe, but if they're glued together, if they're, you know, somehow hold together, I don't think it's possible. All right. So now I want to challenge you guys. What would you say? Suppose that you are a black sheep of your family. Explain why and explain what does it mean. So, this is called an idiom. Це ідіоми англійської мови. І це частина культурного прошарку, частина культурного аспекту. Salam, okay, kem. So, what do you think does it mean? You're the black sheep of your family. Explain why, right? And what does it mean? Чи є якесь паралельне висловлювання в українській мові? If you say you're the black sheep of your family, can you say it somehow in Ukrainian? Can you say Ukrainian version? What does it mean? What does it mean, guys? Any ideas? Катя, якщо ти погано розумієш, не хвилюйся, тому що чим більше ти слухаєш, тим краще ти розумієш. Я буду намагатися спілкуватися повільніше. Дуже дякую за примітку. A lot. Heart. Okay. Alright, so I assume you don't know, right? You are the black sheep of your family. Ви чорна вівця у вашій сім'ї. Як ви гадаєте, в українській мові, як ми кажемо? Чи ти чорна вівця, чи ти біла ворона? Що означає, якщо людина є білою вороною у власній сім'ї? Що це позначає? Біла ворона. Так, Тетяна, дуже дякую. Right. So, you're odd, right? You're one out. So, you're an outstanding. You don't look alike. Okay. So, another thing for you. When you say it's raining cats and dogs, all right? Like in this picture, you see it's raining cats and dogs. What does it mean? British usually say, так, thank you, gotcha. Вона не така, як всі. Микита, ви мене не розумієте. Okay, so it's raining cats and dogs. So, іде дощ котами та собаками. Що це позначає? Це ідіоми. Ідіоми – це такі висловлювання в будь-якій мові, які ви не можете розуміти просто, якщо ви розумієте кожне слово. Отже, when British say it's raining cats and dogs, so what does it mean? Okay. Не така, як всі, не такої, як всі. Probably I have a delay. I'll be waiting for you guys. Welcome, welcome. Try to think. Any idea? Okay. Okay. Okay means you understand. Це означає, що ви мене розумієте. Дякую. Непонятно що. Непонятно що. Ви не розумієте, що, Тетяна, будь ласка, ви просто не знаєте? Отже, it's raining cats and dogs means that it's a very heavy rain. Коли ми кажемо, що дощ іде як з ведра, так? Як просто лється. Тобто, ти просто вийдеш і одразу весь мокрий. Вони кажуть, що це кошки та собаки падають з неба. І цьому є паралель в культурі. Я вам трохи розкажу, тому що у стародавній Англії на дорогах, коли помирали собаки та кошки, в них по обох сторонах від дороги були викопані траншеї, щоб відводити дощову воду. І коли дворники підмітали дороги, вони просто змітали померлих кошок та собак просто з дороги, щоб люди могли проїжджати. Проте, коли йшов дуже-дуже сильний дощ, рівень води підіймався і виносив усіх цих кішок та собак знов на дорогу, і просто усі дороги були їми вкриті. І коли після такого дощу люди подорожували, вони бачили, що нібито ці кошки та собаки просто з неба попадали. І тому вони кажуть, якщо це дощ дуже сильний, то йде дощ кошками та собаками. It rains cats and dogs. So you can learn this phrase and you can use it when you see a heavy rain. All right. So what is this, guys? So can you please tell me what do you see? Because our topic today, let's get closer to our topic. I think we got enough warm up with you. Я гадаю, що ми вже розм'ялися, розігріли наші розумові м'язи. І чи можете ви сказати, що це, що ви бачите? Що це? What is this? Микита, кінчається о півгодини, тобто о 7:00, за півгодини. Earth, very good. That's our planet, right? That's where we live. And you can say it's a world or it's an earth. Correct. Good. And where is the Earth? So what is this, right? Our Earth is the third planet. And what do you call this? Що це таке? Чи ви можете мені сказати? Так, Тетяна, це Earth, right? And the Earth was written, right? So it was written over here. Це було написано тут, якщо ви не помітили. Я написала Земля, так. Наша Земля знаходиться де? Де ми усі з вами знаходимося? Давайте подумаємо. We're in the space. Ми в космосі, так, у просторі. Проте, якщо ми побачимо щось ближче до нас, то це planets, right? Це планети. Planets. Solar system. Perfect, Ilona. The solar system. Right. Pay attention. Будь ласка, зверніть увагу, що ми кажемо the solar system. Not just solar system. Do you know why? Сонячна система. Так, сонячна система. Right you are. So, perfect. Good job, guys. Thank you very much for following. You're awesome. So, the solar system. Do you know why don't we say solar system? Why do we say the solar system? Чи знаєте, навіщо ми додаємо артикль the to the solar system? Why? Can you tell me, please? Any idea? Тому що я вважаю, що ви повинні знати, коли ми вживаємо definite articles, артиклі, так? The is the article. Not really. No. We use the with the unique names. Ми вживаємо definite article the, коли речі унікальні. Тобто в нас у всьому всесвіті є тільки одна сонячна система. І коли ми кажемо the sun, сонце, тому що воно тільки одна зірка у всьому всесвіті, яку ми називаємо сонце. Тому з унікальними речами ми кажемо the, тому що усі знають, до чого ми просто відносимо це. Папа Саша. What was that about? Okay, let's look close up, right? Let's zoom in. So what do you see in here? You have our Earth in the map, right? So we kind of unwrapped the Earth, and we have the land, and we have the water, right? So do you know what the land is called? Чи знаєте, як назвати землю? I have a hint for you here. Це continents, all right? Continents. So you can practice and say continents, if you didn't know that before. Континенти, як українською, дуже-дуже схоже. Отже, в нас є 7 continents. So guys, is there any one of you who can name 7 continents? Чи є хтось з вас, хто може назвати усі 7 континентів англійською мовою? Або українською, якщо не можете. Okay? Yeah, thank you, Tatiana. Continents, that's true. That's true. It's here. It's here in your screen. And so can you please tell me what are the names of the 7 continents? Who knows? Let me see how well you know the world we live in. Напишіть, будь ласка, 7 континентів, їх імена, їх назви. In English you say names, right? In Ukrainian you say назва. Very similar. Okay, I'm waiting for your answers in the chat group. Okay, Africa. Africa. So you can, if you don't know how to say Africa, you can say Africa. Okay, very similar. Євразія. Okay, here is the difference. Here comes the difference. Тут ми маємо відмінності, тому що в Україні, і звісно, за географічними визначеннями, континент – це окрема частина землі, яка, навкруги якої вода, так? A piece of land that is surrounded with water. But, проте, culturally, культурно, європейці вважали, що вони попереду усього світу, і вони відокремлювали себе від Азії. Тому вони кажуть, що Європа – це окремий континент. І westerners, західні люди, кажуть, що це Європа та Азія. Українською ми кажемо they're subcontinents. Вони субконтиненти, так? Тобто Europe and Asia are subcontinents because there is no water, right? In here, there are Ural Mountains. Тут Уральські гори, так? Адже вони кажуть не Євразія. Eurasia, they have the word, but they say there are 2 continents. Okay. Okay. Asia, Europe. Good. America. We have 2 Americas. We have 2 Americas, Ilona. Thank you very much for answering. Okay, I see Анастасія, Антарктида, Північна, Південна Америка, Євразія, Африка. Дуже дякую. Perfect. If you could say it in English, so let me help you. All right, so we have not just one America. We have North America. North, Північна. South America. It's here, down, right? So South America. Південна Америка. Africa, sounds similar. Europe, Asia, Australia, так? І дійсно Антарктика, Antarctica. Good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the Western tradition. Це деякі культурні відмінності, які вам теж допоможуть орієнтуватися, чому вони кажуть 7 континентів, так? Ми ж знаємо, що їх 6. All right. Thanks, Tatiana. Right, Africa, America too. Australia, Antarctica. Good. Okay, guys. So I have prepared a song for you. I like singing, and I hope you like singing too. And so here comes our song. Let's listen closely, and let me take my earphone in order to hear it with you, and to stop it and to pause it. So, ось тут ми бачимо відривки, так? Тобто це вірші, і в них пропущені місця, де пропущені слова. You have missing words here. Отже, зараз я попрошу вас зробити таку невеличку вправу. Я хочу, щоб ви написали, тобто знайдіть якийсь аркуш паперу і напишіть слова, які ви чуєте з пісні, і які відсутні тут у тексті. Добре? I'll give you a few seconds. Я дам вам декілька хвилин, or декілька секунд, probably. All right. Yeah. Okay. So I hope you're ready. So you have to have a pen and a piece of paper, right? Тобто ви повинні тримати аркуш паперу і, можливо, ручку, так? Добре. Ready? Go. Okay, I'll let you listen.
Our earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand.
Okay, good. Any ideas, guys? Any ideas which words we're missing? Okay. So can you write what were the missing words here? What did you hear when you were listening to the song? So if you didn't write all the words, if you didn't hear or didn't have time to write at least one word. Якщо у вас не було часу, якщо це дуже швидко для вас, просто напишіть якесь одне слово, яке ви почули. Це теж буде добре. Yes, Katya, thanks. All right, thank you for writing. Good. Скоро закінчиться, Микито. Yes, it's coming. Right. Okay. Swim. Okay. Tatiana heard the word good. Let's switch and check. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place, right? It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim. So right guess, Nazar, right? And 7 continents, continente, where we can stand. Perfect. Good job, guys. No. Okay. So here is the second piece of verse, right? The second piece of poem. Let's listen to the song and try to hear at least 1 or 2 words. Perfect that you heard one word. Це добре, друзі, що ви почули одне слово. Кожен з вас почув якесь слово і вгадав. Добре. This time, цього разу, спробуйте почути 2 слова. Are you ready? Ready? Go. Let's listen on. Okay. From the beginning.
Our Earth is a very, very, very big place.
You can
it
sing
is
along
covered
or
by
there if you
water
like to
and
sing.
land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim
I'm
and
not
7
singing, so I
continents
don't
where
sing
we
along.
can
I'm sorry,
stand.
guys, but I love dancing.
Asia
Okay.
is the continent that has the most people. It's also the largest in size. It has the 50 highest mountains in the world. Their peaks reach high into the skies. Second.
Okay, good. So what is the name of the continent that we're talking about in this yellow box? So have you heard? Я скажу українською. Микито, завтра ми не зустрічаємося, проте наші уроки будуть у вівторок і четвер у 6:30, 18:30 за українським часом. Welcome to join. Asia, right, Ilona? Very good. That's correct. That's a good guess. Sky. Reach high into the sky. That's true. That was the last word, Tatiana. Welcome, welcome. Great. That's true. You heard a lot. 5 oceans. That's true. Is. Okay. So you can check yourself. Asia is the continent that has the most people. Right? So в Азії проживає найбільша кількість людей. It is also the largest in size, as you see, right? It's the biggest, the largest. It has 50 highest mountains, найвеличезні гори in the world, right? Their peaks reach high into the skies or sky, right? Ми можемо казати небеса, і англійською вони теж можуть казати skies, right? Very good. Okay. So, and let me introduce second largest, right? Let's read along, right? You can read with me and then we will continue and listen. We can hear it, right? So let's read along and then you can sing along with the song, right? Second, which means number 2, largest, big, right? Is Africa, right? So the biggest is Eurasia, right? Or Asia. The second largest is Africa. It's the hottest. Oh my, right? And it has largest sandy deserts. What is a desert? Do you know? Okay. And animals, both large and small. Okay. Ready to go? All right. So I'll give you last chance to sing along. Go. 1. Ready. Let's start. You can sing along and practice your English.
Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and stand. Asia is the continent that has the most people. It's also the largest in size. It has the 50 highest mountains in the world. Their peaks reach high into the skies. Second largest is Africa. It's the hottest continent of all. It has the largest sandy desert in the world, and animals both large and small.
Okay, guys. So, unfortunately, our time today is short. It's shorter than normal classes should be, right? Not fair. Okay. So, therefore, I'll just show you how the poems go, right? So if Africa is the hottest, then which is the coldest? Antarctica, right? It's the coldest. Wow. It's so very cold, right? There are some seals. What animal is a seal, guys? Do you know? Or penguins and other birds. Why does it say birds, right? Probably because penguins are birds. And which is the wettest? It's South America, right? And so we have the driest is Antarctica and South America is the wettest. Tuleni, seals, that's true. Thank you very much, Ilona. That's good, good. Africa is big, right? The only thing, when you write Africa, you have CA. Pay attention, please. Okay, big Africa. I don't see your name. Я не бачу твого ніка або імені. Може, твій нік це big? Okay, so America, Africa. We have CA. Just spell correctly. Good. Okay. So I have a challenge for you. So can you guess what I'm going to ask you? Yet, haven't, which, about, sun, once, we. Can you make up a sentence? This is a scrambled sentence. Can you make it into one sentence? And the hint, it's a question. Тут я просто змішала слова, проте це запитання. Це запитання буде про те, чим ми будемо займатися далі з вами. Так? Чи можете ви скласти речення з цих слів? Я їх просто перемішала всі. І about comes as the last word. So here is the hint for you. I'll be waiting for your reply. Teddy, do you know how to make it? Oh, Teddy has a headache. Poor Teddy. I hope you can do better than him, right? So, come on. Try to make a sentence. Try to make a sentence, guys. Будь ласка, хто може скласти речення? Що я хочу в вас запитати? In English, we call it scrambled sentence, right? So Scrabble. Okay. What word is before we? Ones. Ones. So we have one person and ones when we refer to many. Це персони, особи, ones. What word is before we? We have the word we. Okay. Good, Ilona. Thank you for participation. Я хочу вам подякувати, тобто Микита, Ілона, Назар, Анастасія, Каролина. Дуже дякую вам за активну участь. І ік, Sky, yeah. The person who participates without name, also thank you. Отже, я чекаю на ваші відповіді. Будь ласка. Будь ласка. Okay, I'll count backwards. I'll count down. 10. Europe is a country where we are living. No, there is no word Europe here. Дякую також, Микито. No, Anastasia. Sorry, we don't have Europe here. So, try again. Спробуй ще. Ще є час. 10. 9. 8. Okay, if you need to go, Mikita. Yeah, all right. Thank you very much for participating. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Somewhere had my bell, so it's time. For your sentences, okay, Mikito. Any guess? Okay. So, which is the question word? Це слово запитання. Я думала з одним словом на вибір. Ні, Анастасію. Ви повинні скласти речення. Тобто це речення, це запитання. І ви повинні були скласти їх у запитання, яке я вам хотіла завдати. Так? Okay, so we have which, then once, right? We haven't sung yet. About, right? Про які ми ще не співали з вами, про які континенти ми з вами ще не співали, так? Ми співали з вами про Южну, Південну Америку, ми співали про Азію, про Африку і про Антарктиду, так? І ми не співали про інші. Проте, я гадаю, що в нас час спливає дуже швидко, 5 хвилин залишилося, тому я вас просто хочу вам показати дуже швидко. 5 океанів в нас є. We have 5 oceans. Arctic, Southern, Arctic is at the north, Southern at the south, Indian over here, Pacific is between Asia and North and South America, and Atlantic, it's between Europe and Americas. Okay. В нас 5 океанів, Південний океан додали дуже нещодавно. І усе це підлітки. Так? Teens life around the world. So we discussed the world with you. Ми з вами поговорили про світ. І як ви гадаєте, звідки ці підлітки? Where are they from? What do you think? For example, this girl, right? So we have top, bottom, left hand, right hand side. And we have left hand corner, right hand top corner, right hand bottom corner, left hand bottom corner. And we have the center, right? So let me show you. Left hand top corner, all right? Left hand bottom corner, right hand top corner, right hand bottom corner, and the center. So this girl is here. Okay, Індія, Африка. Також, дуже дякую. What do you think is their lives? Are they similar or different? Як ви гадаєте, чи ці підлітки, чи їх життя однакове чи різне? Давайте пройдемо з вами до життя підлітка з Кенії. Кенія – це, як ви гадаєте, який континент? Це в нас Африка. Africa, right? So, let's meet Muniva. She's from Kenya. I promised to tell you about lives of the world. Так, різне. Thanks, right? So, you can look at the food this girl eats. It's a plain porridge, right? You can look at the streets she walks, and this is her home. This is the light. She doesn't have electricity. В неї немає електричного світла вдома. І вона їсть дуже просту їжу, так? Her name is Gaudensia Nwangenso, right? And she's from Africa. And let's look at the school she studies at, right? So this is just a very simple frame building. And this is how she does her homework. Це як вона робить своє домашнє завдання. Це вони гуляють просто на перервах. And this is her lunch. Це її обід, так? And we're going to discuss with you a teen's life from the USA. Let's look. Okay, do you know this boy? Do you have any idea who is this? This is not a simple teen like Nwangenza, right? So who's he? Who's he? Do you know? Who's he? Who's he? Probably you don't know if you're keeping. Justin Bieber, right, Ilona, right, it's Justin Bieber. And you see what he's doing, right? He's taking a shower in the morning and he has a long, electricity and power. Then he takes a jet. And he also records music at the studio, right? And he likes hiking and he goes hiking in the wild and he flies there on his personal jet. Він літає на власному літаку. Це його сім'я. І у вільний час він співає з друзями і катається на квадроциклі. He rides a car, right? And he likes doing tattoo. So these are very different teams, right? And this is a teen from China. And I have a question to you. Guess what time does he do it at, right? So when does he wake up? So let's see, when does he wake up, guys? Guess what time? Здогадайтеся, коли він просинається. Це students dormitory, це і гуртожиток. В Україні запроваджують шкільну реформу і high school students, старші класи, будуть навчатися, як в Китаї. Тобто давайте подивимося, як це відбувається і що очікує на нас за кілька років вже, так? At sunrise. No, there is definite time. They wake up at 6:40 a.m. О 6:40. Навкруги Китаю усі школяри підіймаються в 6:40. Then they go running, they go jogging, exercising at 7 a.m. Then they go to the, where is it? Canteen, right? School cafeteria. Вони йдуть до снідальної і їдять сніданок. І потім вони навчаються. Як ви гадаєте, до якої години? Till what time do they study in China? And we may expect it in Ukraine later. Ми можемо очікувати таке ж саме в Україні. Тобто здогадайтеся, до якого часу діти навчаються в Китаї. Тобто вони пробіглися, в них була обідня перерва, вони пограли у баскетбол, they played basketball until what time? Ні, Анастасія, later, try more, guess better. Okay, I give you a few seconds, maybe 15, later. Пізніше. 17, later. Okay, I'll tell you. 9:30 p.m. До 9:30. Тобто вони навчаються з 8 ранку до 9:30 ввечері. І потім вони йдуть take shower, right? Brush their teeth and go to bed. And then next morning they jump out of the bed, right? So they're super kids. And I think this is our future too in Ukraine. Okay. So whose life is better, you guess? Which teen has the best life? You can write me in the comments because our time is running out. I see, right? Okay. So I'll skip another interesting things I wanted to share with you guys. Okay. So I want to ask you to write me, why do you take this course? What do you hope to learn? And what is the most challenging for you in English? Будь ласка, напишіть мені у коментах. Я всі перечитаю, і коли ми з вами зустрінемося на уроці, я обіцяю просто сфокусувати наш курс на тому, що вам потрібно. Що ви хочете вивчити? З чим у вас проблеми в англійській мові? І яка у вас мотивація брати цей курс? І I encourage you to think big and trust in yourself. Я просто вірю в вас, і якщо ви try very hard, right? Try your best. I think it can happen. You can be the best, you can reach your goal, all right? So this is the list of the topics we're going to study with you, right? So це наші теми, які ми з вами будемо вивчати. Ви можете перейти до сторінки курсу і всі їх продивитися. Буде цікаво, тому що я намагалася і поговорити про штучний інтелект з вами, і про VR, right? Про virtual travels, про різницю між тваринами та людьми, і так, як краще заводити друзів не тільки по-українськи, але з perspective of the international students. Дякуємо вам за активну участь. Дуже дякую. Сподобався урок? Запрошуємо на курс інтенсив з англійської мови 5-7 класи, Elementary A2. Наступний урок відбудеться 18 лютого о 18:30. Розклад уроків щовівторка та щочетверга о 18:30. Навчальна група майже сформована, залишилося декілька місць. Тобто, якщо ви хочете навчитися, if you want to learn, мерщій бронюйте місце. Навчання на онлайн-курсі – це 14 онлайн-занять в невеликій групі, 90 хвилин активної роботи на кожному занятті, домашні завдання, які ми перевіряємо та оцінюємо, і буде одне творче завдання, яке я буду перевіряти і слати вам фідбек. Ми будемо записувати відео, я буду коректувати вас. Відеозаписи всіх уроків, які ви можете повторно переглядати коли завгодно. Презентації до кожного уроку, які ви можете скачати на свій комп'ютер. Контроль відвідування онлайн-уроків та виконання домашнього завдання куратором групи. Вартість курсу сьогодні 2000 гривень, завтра це буде більше на 200 гривень. Щоб забронювати місце у групі, перейдіть на курс та натисніть «Купити повний курс». Дуже дякую вам за клас. На все добре, до побачення. Було дуже приємно з вами зустрітися. Happy Chinese New Year, Happy Spring Festival. That was a destiny, guys, last time. Минулого разу я сказала, що наш клас відбувається на китайський Новий рік. І насправді він дійсно сьогодні. Отже, Happy Chinese New Year. I was too speedy. Я поспішила минулого разу, тому що в мене друзі з Китаю, вони мене привітали швидше. І я, до побачення. І я подумала, що це вже був Новий рік. Отже, це була доля. Наш клас таки трапився, таки таки відбувся сьогодні. І сьогодні дійсно новий рік, і це ми проведжаємо рік миші, так? І ми зустрічаємо рік бика. Тобто, щасливого нового року усім вам і welcome to our classes. Welcome to our classes. Goodbye, thanks. Goodbye, Nazar. До побачення, до побачення. Yeah, I see that you say you want to learn about different countries. Ми будемо вивчати a lot of